how to use split screen map layout on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's find and select the navigation button located at the left side of the screen. Now select here the settings right here at the top of the screen, and then you can choose the first section, which is map settings. Then scroll down, and here you can enable split screen. So enabling split screen divides your massive display layout into two side-by-side view panels. The left side split map options allows you to configure exactly what display is in the auxiliary window, such as keeping an extra zoom out overview map, turn-by-turn list layouts, or compass metrics right by side your main root screen. So as you can see, if you enable this switcher and go back to the navigation, you should see that you've got two different navigation screens, and you can choose them for the different purpose, one to see the whole overview and one to see the directions. Alright, if you would like to go back to previous version, let's select here the navigation again and choose here the settings button. Then select here the map settings again and disable the split screen. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.